Welcome to Prospect Global. Winning the DV lottery feels like a dream. But there is a hidden deadline most families miss. Your immigrant visa is typically valid for about 6 months from your medical exam date. If your spouse or children do not enter the US before that date, their visas expire. No renewals, no extensions, no second chances. When the deadline passes, the door closes for that visa, permanently. That victory moment can quickly turn into a nightmare if timing is ignored. Many learn too late. One expired dependent visa can separate a family. This is not fine print. It is the single most important date in your DV case. Miss it, and plans, budgets, and dreams can collapse overnight. In this video, we will show you how the rule works, why it is absolute, and what to do if time already ran out. Let us decode the 6-month rule. Your 6-month clock does not start at interview or stamping. It starts on your medical exam date. Find that date on your medical paperwork or digital results. From that date, you have roughly 180 days to arrive at a U.S. port of entry. Example: medical on May 15th means a likely expiry near November 15th. Check both visa foil and medical. Use the earlier date as your absolute last day. Do not gamble with the final week. The limit exists because your medical clearance is only valid for a short window. After that, the medical, and the visa tied to it, become invalid. Ignore other noise. Trust the rule. Plan around the early date. What if someone misses the deadline? Explaining the situation to the embassy will not help. Emergencies and financial delays do not create exceptions. Once a DV visa expires, it is gone forever. Consuls have no legal authority to renew, extend, or reissue an expired DV visa. DV operates on a strict fiscal year and rigid validity rules. Think of it like a train. Missed departure, the ticket is useless. It is tough to accept after investing time, money, and hope. The system is large-scale and not flexible for individual DV cases. The embassy's role ends at issuance. Using the visa on time is up to you. If a dependent's DV visa has expired, the path changes. Plan B is only available if the principal already became a green card holder. File Form I-130 with USCIS to sponsor your spouse or child. Include strong proof of the family relationship. This is a new case. Nothing from DV carries over. After USCIS approval, the case moves to the National Visa Center for fees and documents. Eventually, an interview is scheduled in the home country. During the wait, most cannot get a U.S. visitor visa due to immigrant intent. Families endure separation while the process slowly moves forward. It is the opposite of DV speed, but it is the only route left. Family sponsorship is measured in years, not months. Timelines depend on your status and who you are sponsoring. For LPR sponsoring spouse or unmarried child under 21, category F2A, expect about 2 to 3 years on average. Backlogs, policy changes, or requests for more evidence can extend that. Unmarried child over 21 falls in F2B. Waits can exceed 7 years. LPRs cannot petition married children. Naturalization may be needed first. Becoming a U.S. citizen often takes at least 5 years before starting that petition. These waits create emotional and financial strain across critical years. Petitioners must meet income rules and pay multiple fees. Prepare financially and emotionally for a marathon. Losing DV is losing a rare fast lane to residency. You cannot rely on winning again. The odds are very low. What vanishes is speed and certainty. DV winners can live, work, and settle in months. Family petitions bring years of waiting and unknowns. Fees add up, and legal help can increase costs further. Meanwhile, only one household earner may carry the burden. Regret, anxiety, distance. The human cost compounds over time. An expired visa is not a missed flight. It is a missed future. But action now can protect what remains. This is about urgency, not panic. If any family member holds a valid DV visa, act today. Ensure every person on your case enters the U.S. before expiry. Book travel well before the deadline. Build a buffer. Life happens. Your buffer protects the plan. Step 1. Locate your medical paperwork and calculate the 6-month expiry. Put that date on every calendar you own. Step 2. Organize travel docs. Do not open the sealed packet. Give it to CBP at entry. Carry copies of key documents in a separate bag. If a visa already expired, pivot immediately. File an I-130 with an experienced attorney, start saving, and prepare for a long wait. Before you go, Don't forget to subscribe for non-stop updates on DV lottery and US immigration matters. See you in the next video.